Guys, what's up? Today it's me, Elijah, at your new channel as you. So today I'm going to put a very easy method that how do you make a Tang juice. So as you may know, Tang is some kind of juice company which you drink. It's orange, any flavor like strawberry, orange, any flavor or pineapple. Today I'm going to be telling you how do you make a tank juice. All first you need of course the tank, but I made a new container, so it'll be easy. I mean this is the tank. One spoon, a cup. This is the actually the Benton tank, which is, I bought this for an offer. The normal water and the cold water. So it's only just five items you just needed. Okay, so enjoy the video. So what you need is a cup and the tank juice and also a cup. So what you need to do is any teaspoon if you want, any spoon. How much teaspoon you want? I'll just make it a 3 teaspoon because this spoon is so small. So 1 spoon, as you can see, 3 spoon. Okay, so I did 3 spoon. Now add some normal water. Then you have to stir because it's just a little quantity. So I will just skip that and I will continue the next one. So once you have finished stirring it, then you have to add the cold water. The cold water. This is very cold, and pour it. And if till it become full, and stir it. So my spoon is so long, so short. That's why. So stir it. It's very easy method to make a tang juice, and I will skip that and show you the how it. So wait a minute. So there you have it, a nice, oh sorry, I just spilled it. Okay, so there you have it, a nice very fresh juice that I made. So it's a tank juice. Tasty. So I hope you liked this video. It's just a, wait a minute. If you like this video how I made a tank, so I hope you like, share and subscribe this channel. And also one thing, the corona, as I said in the previous video, that there's a coronavirus which is spreading. So you always wash your hands while you do something and stay at home. Stay at home. And once again, I want to thank you so much for watching. And I want to say that my friend also has a channel. And as I say, his name is the name of the channel is On the Point. His name is Aban Hassan. So I like you. Also I like So hope you like, share and subscribe this video. So goodbye and peace.